not big. Who are you? You're so beautiful.ให้เฉยๆเราให้เฉยๆขอบคุณค่ะ
ที่นี่สถานีขุนตาล
chicken with sticky rice. This is a national park area, so you need to pay the entrance fee. For Thai people, only 20 baht. Foreigners, 100 baht.
ตอนเนี้ยที่จุดมุ่งหมายแต่ละคนเขาจะไปนี่ลานสวนยอสองด้านบนเขาจะไม่มีไฟฟ้าขึ้นโทรศัพท์ไม่เสถียร
Okay, I'm ready. My stuff's ready. So let's go. Your 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not big. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Hello. Who is that? Why you're so beautiful? This is the shop. Let me see what they sell. Noodle soup. I make it so spicy.
ถึงว่าไอ้แก่นไปไหนถึงว่าไอ้แก่นหายไปไหนกลายเป็นซิกเกอร์ไต
Lanson. Your 2. But this way is for the viewpoint. Your 3 and 4. We're gonna stay upstairs. Oh my God. Now it starts to be more difficult. Finally. It's not too far. No cooking. Be quiet after 10. Here's the toilet. I don't want to take the video for you because it doesn't look so good. This is my baby tent. It's just for one person. Let me show you inside. Like this. Sleeping bag. It's not too difficult for me to get here. Only 2 hours from the visitor center. So I think this hike, Doi Khun Tan, is good for the beginner. Yeah, you don't need to be professional.น้อยมาได้ยังไงเนี่ยหนูเดินมาเหรอหนูเดินมาใช่ไหม
ขอมือก่อนขอมือ
น่ารักจิ I eat again noodles because I only have one option, no other food. It's beautiful color. Good morning, guys. Finally. Oh my God.
ร้องเพลงหน่อยร้องบอกให้หมาเป็ดนอนสั่ง
This insect bites me. Oh my god, it's so weird. Oh, look at this. Sleepy dog. Okay, time to go back. I'm so happy I did it. I went until the top of Doi Khun Tan National Park. Yeah, to the viewpoint. And if no rain, you can see the sunrise. But today, oh my god, I didn't see anything much. It's so quiet. Oh, มีแมวด้วย The restaurant is opening now. มีกาแฟไหมคะ ไม่มี I eat again the same food. Oh my god. The toilet near the shop is better than the one that on the camp. The time now is 9:40. Let's go.